Can I get one extra large double with milk, please? I need my coffee.
Boy,
Hello?
you can't just battle me.
Where do they go? Honestly. Where do they go? Shave much? I thought you're supposed to shave in the sink. Good morning, guys. I'm on my way to a rental unit. Somebody is supposed to move out yesterday. It was kind of an eviction kind of process we had to go through to get them out, so it'll be interesting to see. I'm gonna bring you guys along. This is the first time I've been there since, well, it's been a while anyway. They owe the owner a lot of money anyway, so that sucks, but they're finally out. And yeah, so you'll see exactly what I see for the first time. It'll be interesting to see what how they've left it and if they actually left anyway. Yeah. So I'll see you guys there. Just going to grab a coffee. And later today I have to go to London. I'm driving my car. Don't want to drive an hour and a half to waste gas in my truck, so I'm going to drive my car there. That's what I got for Friday. Alright guys, so far so good. Hello? I think they are gone. I'm just checking the appliances. Okay. There's some damage here. Nice. Well, dirty, but nice. I'll do the testing on a washer dryer and everything when I come back. I'm actually surprised. I'm not done looking around, but I'm surprised they didn't Where do they go? Honestly, where do they go? Almost every time I do one. What the hell is that? Huh. Shave much? I thought you were supposed to shave in the sink. That could be cleaned. All right, so what my job was here today was just to make sure that they are gone and change the codes and locks so they can't gain re-entry. tell you, it's been a battle with these guys. It's been about 7 months of non-paying rent, which means the owner's paying for them to live here, which is not good. Bifold door. Needs a new pin. Okay, good. I'm going to change the batteries on this. I'm going to change this deadbolt, and then they won't be able to get back in. Make sure this is locked. All right, I'm gonna go grab that stuff. Get it. And all the kerfuffle, I forgot my screwdriver. So I'm just gonna change this code for now. Then I'll be back probably Tuesday. Tuesday? Maybe Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday, and I'll start this turn. So I'm just gonna change this code out on this padlock, and that'll keep them out for now anyway. All right, guys, have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one. Get it.
Boy, you can't just battle me.